Stupid.
Excuse me, barmaid. I'm afraid you brought me the wrong offspring.
Ooh, love on the battlefield.
I ordered an extra large boy.
It's like the size of my...
Yeah, between you and me, the village could do with a little less feeding, don't you think? I'm gonna cut out your heart and take it to my father.
Astrid.
Pests.
With beefy arms.
I'm gonna kill you.
Extra guts and glory on the side.
Pain. Love it.
Ow! This here, this is a talking fish bone.
Bread making Vikings. Morning! Thank you for nothing, you useless reptile.